6, 9. 8, 6, 9.
Hello there YouTube, today we have another unboxing. This time it's a Revopoint range and we are going to unbox it together and see what's inside, because there is a label that is a UN3481, which means that there is some battery inside. I don't remember, to be honest guys, that there is something battery included, whatever, and it says lithium batteries section 2, so let's see what's inside. So, all right. So we have some stickers. I don't know how many that there are. I think around 100. Not sure. So let's take the Revopoint range out of its big bag. And here we have it. Looks sleek. Completely packaged and everything. So let's do the package unboxing for the second time here. All right. So here we have it. It's a package that opens slowly, and here is the crown jewel alongside with the stuff that is included. So I'll get to this later. We have...
This video is brought to you by PCBWay, your one-stop for all PCB needs. We can design, prototype and build the boards your business requires at a price you can afford. Right now, 4 and 6 layer PCB costs have been reduced by 20%. The highest quality is matched by a quick order process and a 99% on-time delivery. The best value, low minimum orders and a fast turnaround. PCBWay.com.
Immediately like a Type-C to Type-A adapter. We have a connection port that is a USB 3.0 or 3.1 to USB-A and a USB Type-C. And then we have another cable that is USB-A to USB 3.0 or 3.1. It says 3.0. So we have, let me see here, what is this? Well, I think this is a lithium battery. Yes, it is. So you have a battery including 4000 milliamps per hour. There we go. Well, it has an output, an input, output A USB-A, and an input USB Type-C, and a button here. And then we have a stand here, just basic. Let's put it here. And then we have a phone holder, mediocre quality. I've seen better, but that's not what we bought this for. And here is the crown jewel. Well, it is fully made of plastic, completely made of plastic. Here are the cameras on the sides, and the main camera, I'm afraid. So let's look what this goes onto, which is here, just like this, click, and this extends like 15 to 20 centimeters. You have a play button here. I think this is start button, and this is the connection USB 3.0 and LED light here. And for the rest, it's basically the scanner. We'll have to scan with this to see whether it's going to scan my car in, because I want to really scan my car in and see what's going to bring. Quality wise, some parts look sleek, some parts don't look sleek. I was expecting a better quality of this, because this feels like completely plastic. And especially the front looks a bit, in person, it looks a bit meh. I didn't get the turntable. I only got this because, well, how many times will I use the turntable? I'm not sure. And you can also do it like manually yourself as well. You can just turn around the person you're scanning in, and it's as good as. So let's see what's inside of here. This is the last bit. Some more of these stickers. A plastic bag, and you have your user's manual here. So it tells you what to download and how to connect it up, which is straightforward. But for the ones who really need it, there is a manual in English. And you have also your quality control pass. I think this is just basic. They just print it out and there you go. So yeah, we'll have to test this on a large object and we'll see what the results bring. Stay tuned. So guys, I've tried to scan my car in and didn't succeed because most scanners don't pick up any shapes from a reflective surface. In order to make it work, I'd have to use a 3D scan mask spray, which I don't have at the moment. I'm sure a dry shampoo spray would have worked as well. So instead I scanned some interior of the car and under the hood. As you guys can see, the scanner picked up the top surface pretty good, since there are non-reflective plastic parts mostly. Overall, I think this scanner has some great potential to scan in large objects. I do think we will get better scanning techniques in the future. Think about those very expensive 20k plus scanners. They scan so accurately and flawlessly. But yes, they do come with a huge price tag. For our home users, those are out of reach anyways. Maybe in 5 years we will get those quality scanners to our homes for around 1000 euros. Who knows? Anyways guys, I hope you liked this video about the Revopoint's range scanner. I did surely enjoy making this video. So if you are up for more content like this in the future, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get to see them as soon as they are up. Have a nice day. Bye!